disruptive. People need to seriously meditate on how bad this is, how heretical and schismatic it is, that Benedict XVI holds that all Christians are not required to accept the primacy of the popes. It alone proves that he is a manifest heretic. The same astounding heresy has been taught by Benedict XVI's prefect for promoting Christian unity, Cardinal Walter Kasper. Cardinal Walter Kasper, quote, "Today we no longer understand ecumenism in the sense of a return, by which the others would be converted and return to being Catholics. This was expressly abandoned by Vatican II." Kasper's statement is so heretical that even many of the defenders of Benedict XVI have labeled Kasper a heretic. But as we've seen, Benedict XVI believes the exact same thing. In the following quote, we see that Benedict XVI uses basically the exact same words as Kasper in rejecting Catholic dogma. Benedict XVI addressed to Protestants at World Youth Day, August 19, 2005, quote, "And now we ask, what does it mean to restore the unity of all Christians? This unity does not mean what could be called ecumenism of the return. That is, to deny and to reject one's own faith history. Absolutely not." Just like the notorious heretic Kasper, Benedict XVI blatantly rejects the ecumenism of the return. That is, that non-Catholics return to the Catholic faith and reject their heretical sects. He rejects the teaching of Pope Pius XI word for word. Pope Pius XI, Mortalium Animus, number 10, January 6, 1928. Quote, "The union of Christians can only be promoted by promoting the return to the one true Church of Christ, of those who are separated from it." Benedict XVI could not be more formally heretical. He holds that Protestants